Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube Music on your Mac OS. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you have to open your web browser and you have to choose a profile. Now, search on the search bar YouTube Music. Now, open the first page and here you will see an installer icon over here. Just click on this icon and choose install. And now an app will be opened. Here you can see that this is our app. So this is actually Chrome apps. You have to drag it into your applications folder. I'm gonna do it. And that's it. Now, if we try to find our app, here you can see that this is our YouTube Music app on our Mac OS. So that's all for today's video. I think this video will help you a lot to find YouTube Music for your Mac OS. Thanks for watching.